there are powerful forces at work in the universe. From man-made explosions to Mother Nature's devastating destruction, to epic blasts of unbelievable cosmic power. All of them reveal a universe of lurking perils, like exploding stars, apocalyptic asteroid impacts, and invisible jets of radiation streaming across the universe. The cosmos is a place of ever-present danger. But what's amazing is that in the entire universe, nothing is more powerful than the colossal explosion that created it all, the Big Bang.
The Big Bang is an amazingly difficult thing to wrap your brain around, which isn't surprising. When you're trying to think about the universe being smaller than the head of a pin,
Actually, smaller than an atom, about as small as the proton at the center of an atom. Whatever the universe was at the very beginning, some 13.7 billion years ago, we think it was tiny, an infinitesimal nugget of space. And then something happened, triggering the most colossal explosion in history. In a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a second, the universe grew from the size of that tiny point to something billions of miles across. This colossal blast created everything, all the matter we see in the universe today. And it did all this without even making a sound.
When one sees the Big Bang portrayed in a film, there's always a big bang, a noise. Of course, that's silly because sound doesn't propagate in space. But what's often overlooked is that the Big Bang is not just an explosion that happened at some moment in time at some point in space.
it was not just an explosion of material into an empty universe that was sitting there waiting to be filled. It was the explosion of space and time into existence to begin with.
And that's what trips most of us up. Before the Big Bang, there was nothing, literally nothing. And the black void of space is something. So is time.
To ask what's before the Big Bang, what's before there is time, is really a meaningless question. And likewise, to ask where the Big Bang occurred is meaningless because there was no space.